So the crochet hair is from divatress.com.
I'm going to show you guys how to braid your hair for your crochet style this time. I'm going to start off by splitting my hair into two because these braids are going to be smaller than these braids, if that makes sense. And this time I made sure my hair was freshly washed just so it was thicker because I need the base to actually last this time. This is going to be the front and then this section will be the back. Now I'm going to just part it in a section in the middle because I like middle parts. So we got parts of the middle. Now I'm going to just put this one in a section just so I don't get overwhelmed.
I like to braid the hair in sections because it's so much easier to do it this way. As you guys can see, I parted my hair in the middle and now I'm adding about 5 braids to each section. Even if you're not the best braider, I'm going to show you a tip. You got to keep watching for that one though. Happy New Year's, guys. Ooh, my hands smell so good. I just got out the shower. But yeah, I'm still just parting the hair, braiding it. I'm going to show you guys what I do after I'm done braiding the hair. Because it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. You don't have to be the best braider. You guys can see that my braids are a little sauté.
For every 2 braids, I'm gonna make 1 braid.
So I hope that made sense, but for every 2 braids, I'm going to combine them and make 1 big old braid, as you guys can see. And then after that big old braid, I'm gonna end up with like 5 of them, and I'm gonna braid them all together. And then you guys are gonna see the little latch technique I do with my fingers. So easy. Here you go. There you go. I'm like, let me shut up so you can watch. Bloop. There you go.
Hair is done. Oh, that took a long time. So this hair is from divatress.com. I got the style Bohemian Soft Water in the color P1B30. So far I have 4 packs of hair. I'm working on my, I'm working on my 4th pack of hair now. Yeah, you might not need 6 packages of hair, but hey, I like my hair full. So you guys can just watch what I'm doing and just follow along. Super easy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. But this hair is super soft. I am going to separate it with my fingers. So yeah, it's gonna be big, kinky, and cute. One great tip for girls or guys who aren't the best braiders, you can take a bobby pin and kind of secure it, and that could be your anchor, if that makes sense.
Watch me on your left braid.
This is a lot more manageable than the 24 inches, but the 24 inch was a vibe. We could keep going, like we could keep making it bigger, or we could stop here. It looks so nice, so bomb and natural. So this hair is super soft. Like, I don't understand what's up with all this crochet hair feeling like human hair, but you guys. I used 5.5 packs of hair. This is as much hair I have left in the last pack of hair. But yeah, if you wanted to cut it and wear it short, you could do it. Like, I love how with crochet hairstyles, they're really versatile. So whatever your preference is, even if you don't like this much hair, you could use less hair. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and check out divatress.com so you guys can see all the different crochet hairstyles that they have, and leave everything in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that.